We will read out the question number 9. Let A and B be two sets such that number of elements present in A is 3, number of elements present in B is 2. If these three are in A cross B, find A and B, where x, y, z are distinct elements. What is mean by distinct? Different elements. X, Y, Z are all different elements. They are not equal. Again I repeat, A and B be two sets. Number of elements in A is 3. Set B has 2 elements. If these 3 are present in A cross B, that is Cartesian product of A and B, these 3 are present means what are the elements of A and B? That is the first question. Second question is, not second question, the condition is x, y, z are all distinct elements. Distinct element means what is the meaning? X, y, z are all different. They are not equal. Okay. Given this and this, it is given to us. Number of elements in A 3, number of elements in B 2. A cross B has these 3 elements. That is what I have written here. A cross B means what is the meaning? Cartesian product of A and B. It is given. So these two lines are given to us. What we have to find? We have to find A and B. Now see, X. What is the meaning for this? This is ordered pair. What is the meaning? X belongs to A, 1 belongs to B. Y belongs to A, 2 belongs to B. Z belongs to A, 1 belongs to B. So I can easily say what are the elements of capital A means what I have to do. Take the first element X, take the first element Y, take the first element, because the first elements will belong to capital A. So A is equal to X, Y, Z. Since X, Y, Z are different, I can write boldly X, Y, Z. Suppose they are equal, I cannot write again. So since they are different elements, I can write X, Y and Z, all the 3 in set A. What are the elements of B? Where I have to search? See the second element, 1, 2, again 1 is present, so I need not write 1 twice. So 1, 2 are the only 2 elements which is present in B. So we found out elements of A and B. Find A and B, we got A and B. I think you will understand this. We will go for problem number 10 now. Question number 10. If A cross A has 16 elements, if A cross A has 16 elements, S is equal to a set which has elements called A comma B belongs to A cross A. Dot means such that, I have to read this as such that A lesser than B. Also, minus 1 comma 2 and 0 comma 1 are 2 elements of S. Find the remaining elements of S. I think question is very clear. A cross A has 16 elements. They have given that. So in the answer we are writing A cross A has 16 elements. Therefore A has 4 elements. Before itself we have seen how it is. A cross A 16 elements means definitely A will have how many? 4 elements. The next thing that they have given is S. I have written that S is equal to A comma B, where this belongs to A cross A, Cartesian product of A cross A, but with the condition A will be lesser than B. So always this A will be lesser than this B. Such elements only will present in S. Where these elements S, the elements of S are nothing but elements of A cross A with the condition A lesser than B. With the condition A lesser than B. Now again it is given, 2 elements are given to us, minus 1 comma 2, 0 comma 1. 2 elements of S are given. These are 2 elements of S. 2 elements of S is given to us. So from which we can find out easily what is set A. Because we know set A has 4 elements. By seeing this, minus 1 comma 2. What is the meaning? Minus 1 will be in A, 2 will be in this A. Anyhow, these 2 are elements of A. Similarly, these 2 are also elements of A. Therefore, the 4 elements are minus 1, 0, 1, 2. All these 4 elements will definitely present in A. So, we found out the set A. What actually we need to find? We need to find the remaining elements of S. Okay. How many elements they have given? 2 elements they have given. two elements of S they have given. They are asking us to find what are the remaining elements. How will S look like? S looks like A comma B. It is like this. But the condition is A should be lesser than B. Okay. Now what I am going to find out is, I am going to find out what is A cross A. Now I am going to find out A cross A. Since A has 4 elements, definitely A cross A will have 16 elements. So I am going to write all the 16 here. How to write? Now see, A cross A is equal to minus 1. You again joins with minus 1. So minus 1 comma minus 1 is one pair. Minus 1 comma 0 another pair. Minus 1 comma 1 is next pair. Minus 1 comma 2 is another pair. So with minus 1 I can create 4 elements. Similarly with 0, 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 4 elements. Similarly with 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 4 elements. Similarly with 2, 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. So how many elements? 4, 4, 4, 4. 16 elements are present here in where A cross A. What is our aim? Our aim is to find remaining elements of S. 2 elements are given already. Now see this, minus 1 comma minus 1. Shall I say first element is lesser? No, because they are equal. See here, first element is lesser, therefore definitely this will come in S, minus 1 comma 0. So remaining elements of S are, first element is minus 1 comma 0. I am not writing this because they are equal. Now see this minus 1 comma 1, definitely this is lesser, so minus 1 comma 1 will come here. Minus 1 comma 2, this is lesser, but already it is given to us in the question itself, so we need not write that. Now come here, 0 minus 1, 0 is greater, right? So I should not write this. They are equal, leave it. 0 1, this is lesser, so 0 1 it is already given, so don't write. 0 2, 0 is lesser, so 0 comma 2 should come here. Come here, 1 minus 1, 1 is greater, so don't write. 1 0, 1 is greater, don't write. 1 1 equal, don't write. 1 2, 1 is lesser, so you take this 1 comma 2. 2 minus 1, 2 is greater, don't write. 2 is greater, don't write. 2 is greater, don't write. Equal, don't write. So the remaining elements of S are these 4. I think you will understand. A cross A has 16 elements, therefore A will have 4 elements. How we found out 4 elements? 2 elements of S they have given. From this we found out 4 elements of A. So we can easily write A cross A. From this 16 elements, we are finding what are all the elements which will come in S. What is the condition? First number should be lesser, that's all. Already 2 are given to us. The remaining we are finding from this and writing here. I think you will understand this. Already I told you I will give homework for you. Today I will send the homework problems also to you, and do it and send it to me, right? Thank you, children.